Hey, so that is the top of the Mount Kigali, that is correct?
Yes, this is the Mount Kigali.
Okay, so and we have a beautiful view. What is about this view? Which part of Kigali is it?
So for people who know Kigali, there is a side where you can just see the Kigali city, and there is the other side where you can see just outside of Kigali, like in Kamonyi district. So this is the side where we are looking.
Alright.
So can you just see from there? You see the river.
I see the river, yes.
the
It's so
river.
cool.
So
What is this river?
It's called Nyabarongo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the long
And it's
one.
after this river, it's still Kigali?
Oh, just after there is Kamonyi district. It's like here we are in Kigali, but we are able to see in the southern province.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's in the south.
That is south. Okay, and there's some mount in the back.
Yeah.
Very far. Do you know some name of this mount?
Oh, not really that I know is in Kamonyi. So as you may probably know, Rwanda is it's called Thousand Hills country. Yeah, that's why you have.
Oh, cool.
So they say Thousand Hills country because it's like we have many hills. So it's like thousand.
Thousand
So
hills.
Not easy to count. So can you see just far like turning, because we are on the top and we see just here in Mount Kigali.
Yes.
And you can see just there are nature trees.
Yes.
You can see just the nature here. Can you turn around? Can you show them?
Yes. Yeah.
How do you feel like being here on the top of the mountain?
I'm feel good.
Yep.
I'm feel peace. I'm feel like nature in the cities in Kigali, in the capital. I'm feeling nature with some very nice wind.
Yep. But here is like so you don't need just like or someone just to tell you something to make you happy. Just by looking.
Yes.
Just you can come here and sit and have a walk. And
It's
see these
great.
beautiful trees.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Oh wow.
But it's not endemic, is it?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Oh, no, because eucalyptus, I saw.
Yeah,
But
because we
other-
have some like penis, we have some eucalyptus, and many more. So there are different kind of trees. Yeah.
That's nice. Hey,
Also, thank you guys.
hey,
So
thank you.
I invite you to come to the Mount Kigali and see more things that you have seen there.
Yes.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.